In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a virus scan task in Kaspersky in just 5 minutes. Now, let's get started by opening up the Kaspersky application on your computer. If you're not familiar with Kaspersky, it's a highly respected antivirus program, well regarded for its comprehensive security protection. Once you have Kaspersky open, you'll need to direct your attention to the main dashboard. This is your command center for all things related to your computer's security. From here, look for the section labeled Security. You can typically find this on the left-hand side of the dashboard. The Security section is designed to give you a broad overview of your system's security status and offers options to manage various tasks. It's good practice to check in here regularly to ensure everything is up to date and functioning as it should. Now, within the Security section, you'll want to click on Scan. The Scan tool is crucial for maintaining your computer's health, identifying and removing any malicious software that might have slipped through the cracks. It's like the quick vitals check during a doctor's visit, essential for routine maintenance. After clicking on the Scan tab, you should see several scanning options. Among these, there's an option for Additional Scan Tasks. This feature is particularly useful for those times when you want to customize your scanning requirements beyond the standard quick or full scans. By selecting this, you open up a new array of possibilities for how your scans can operate, allowing for a tailored approach that fits your needs. Now that you've navigated there, you can create a new scan task by configuring it to focus on specific sections of your system, analyzing the areas most at risk or those you feel need the most attention. It's a bit like specifying which rooms of a house you want to deep clean. Sometimes a general clean is enough, but at other times, you need to focus on particular areas more intensely. Adjust the settings according to what you need for the occasion. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, initiate the scan. Kaspersky will now get to work, moving through the designated areas and checking for any potential threats. While it's running, you can either sit back and monitor its progress or go about your day. Knowing Kaspersky will alert you should any issues arise. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've set up a customized virus scan task within Kaspersky. Remember, routine scans can significantly enhance your computer's defenses, keeping your data safe from any unwanted intruders. So, making a habit of scheduling these scans can provide peace of mind and a sense of security, knowing your digital space is well protected. Thank you for tuning in, and stay secure.